Welcome. Let us solve experiment number 6. Again, simply supported or overhanging beam it is rather. It's a overhanging beam with combined loads. There are 2 point loads and a moment as well. 4 kilonewton acting at 1 meter. At 2 meters distance 6 kilonewton force and overhang at the free end 6 kilonewton. Material cross section Poisson's ratios are mentioned. I have a solved file earlier. I just open a new file from here only. Click new. I will go to here. Experiment number 6. File name I will give exercise 6. Okay. Database is open. Create a new one. Yes. It will create a new database now. Structural, okay. Geometry, here I think geometry is 4 meters length. So I will give, instead of 6 I will make it 4. Some data will be there already. So that is one advantage here. Apply properties. You can see already mild steel isotropic. Mild steel already, you can see here values are there. Apply beam also. I hope you will get some link here. No, not yet. Alright, if that's not there, things are here. Okay, material is here. Okay, give the bar orientation 0, -1, 0. Okay, select application region and okay, apply. I should have given a name here. I'll give OH, overhanging beam. Input properties are there. Okay, select application region, curve is there. Okay, apply. Now it has been corrected. Meshing 0.4 it is asking. We need, if I take 0.4, 0.8, 1.2, I will not get node at 1 meter. So better I can make it either 0.5 or 0.25. So let me make it 0.5. Apply. If I want to observe the nodes, I can label it. You can see now. Then loads and boundary conditions, displacement, constraint, input data. Again let me make it, since there is moment about Z, I will give it a fixed case. Okay, select application region, nodes, node 1 and at 3 meters we have another node. So 1, 2, 3. This is the 3 meters node. Node 7, node 1 and node 7. Okay, apply. Now there are loads as well as moment. So let me go to force F, input data 6 kilonewton force I have along y direction, 0, -6 E3, 0. Okay, select application region. I have point loads in the location at 2 meters and free end. So 1, 2 and free end. Both are same, the magnitude is same, so I can select simultaneously. If different loads are there, I need to give different name and different magnitudes. Okay, apply. 6 kilonewton is acting. There is one moment, so I will give here M, input data. So there is no force here, only moment. Moment is about Z. So 0, 0, comma, let me check whether it is clockwise, anti-clockwise. It's anti-clockwise, 4 kilonewton meter. So 4 E3. Anti-clockwise, let me mention minus. Okay. Select application region, select node 3, add, okay, apply. So it will show as a 2 dots. Anti-clockwise direction, it will show as a 2 dots. So here is the moment. I have already applied. Just to cross check, I did. I already applied. So it is asking override. Let me click yes. Oh, sorry. Node 3. Override, yes. So there is a dot you can see. Alright. So analysis deck, subcases, default, output request, select parameters, okay, apply, cancel, apply. No analysis requested. Now open Neston x86, run. You can cross verify. I think it has been solved. Check F06 error. There is no error. Open pattern again and access result. Select result file. x86 it is. Apply. Result. Displacement translational. So maximum displacement is at the free end. The value is given. Image. Displacement equation, image, then results, beam results. You can reset graphics. You can reset graphics here. Then results. Select all the elements. Select the result. Apply. Again, the validity of the result should be cross-verified with the theoretical solution. Write this image. SFD6 I will write. Then second one, BMD result. Change the orientation to observe. Validity of result should be verified with the theoretical solution. BMD6 apply. Thanks for watching.